I'm going to throw one more example out at you. We can really go on and on and on with all different types of examples and different scenarios. So I'm going to throw one out here with a little bit of everything here. So we're going to do 2x squared y to the third plus 8x to the fifth y minus 10x to the third y to the fifth. Oh, wow, Mr. Fortune. All right, pay attention, follow along. We notice that all the variables are same. So we have x, y, x, y, x, y. We notice that all the coefficients are divisible by 2, or all the coefficients have a factor of 2. Back up in the last videos, in the other examples, I expanded it out, right? So I multiplied everything, 9 times a times a times a times a times a, et cetera, et cetera. I'm going to do the same thing here because it helps. At least I think it helps. So 2, well, that's the smallest it can go. So 2 times x times y times y times y. Because 2 is 2, x times x is x squared, y times y is y cubed. All right, let's go to the 8. I know it's going to be a 2. The GCF of 8 is 2. So we're going to say 2 times 4 times x times x times x times x times x times y. Because x to the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y once. And last but not least, we have this 10x to the third y to the fifth. So we're going to say minus 5 times 2. Right? Because remember, 10, we're looking for a GCF. We said it was 2. Times x times x times x times y times y times y times y. And I'm running out of room, times y. All right. We got 3 sets of things here. So because we had 3 terms, so we have 3 sets. Let's go through and circle. 2, 2, 2. We have 2 x's, 2 x's, and 2 x's. We have 1 y, so 1 y here and 1 y here. And that's all that's in common because we don't have any more y's in common because there's no more y's in this group to circle. And there's no more x's to circle because, well, I've already used them all right here. So whatever is circled is my GCF. 2, boom. X times x is written x squared. And there's only 1 y circled, so it's going to be y. We're going to draw our parentheses. Everything else goes back in. I have a y times y, so y squared, plus 4, and then we have 3 x's, so x cubed. And then we have a minus 5, or negative 5, x, and we have 4 y's, so y to the fourth. And here's how we can check. 2 times 1 is 2. X squared times no more x, x squared. Y times y squared is y cubed. And then we can go down the line. 2 times 4 is 8. X squared, x to the third is x to the fifth. Y. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. X squared times x is x to the third. And y times y to the fourth is y to the fifth. Ladies and gentlemen, there she is.